Hi everyone, my name is Mike Brown and welcome to my course, Make Cost Optimised Decisions on AWS. I am a Senior Cloud Instructor working at Fireband Training in the UK, specialising in Amazon Web Services. AWS is one of the biggest providers of cloud services today, offering a range of solutions for startups and multinational organisations alike. Most AWS projects involve cost management right at their heart. In this course, we're going to take a detailed look at cost optimization in AWS. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include AWS compute cost optimization, AWS storage cost optimization, Amazon RDS pricing, and tools used to monitor costs. By the end of this course, you have detailed knowledge of AWS cost optimization that will make you a valuable member of any AWS implementation and management team. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with core AWS services such as EC2, Amazon VPC, and Amazon RDS. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into AWS topics with courses on AWS cost management, AWS compute, and AWS certification. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn AWS cost optimization with the Make Cost Optimized Decisions on AWS course at Pluralsight.